Cosmic Unity 3, the third iteration of the Cosmic Unity shoe, is about to be released by Nike. It is an extension of Nike's Move to Zero program and contains at least 20% recycled material by weight. Clad in a color pattern of black, brilliant orange, sail, pink spell, tropical twist, and footwear gray. This version of the Nike Cosmic Unity 3 is embroidered with the phrase "As one we win" on the lateral side and is made of a variety of materials. The Crater sole unit is still present, along with a full-length Zoom Strobel, and an outdoor-themed Nike graphic on the insoles finish out the look. See the official look on May 6th. Look for the Nike Cosmic Unity 3 as one we win to go on sale at select shops and online at Nike.com. $160 is the suggested retail price.